Try and get this out this side, see? Now then. Ooh. Now can you open it? Shall we open it? Oh look. True Perry. True Perry. There you are. Oh dear me. Oh dear me. I'm going to let her do it. That's right, yes, it does tear, but they have it. Oh, don't just sit on it. What is that in there? Oh, look, your favourite. Your favourite bedtime treat. You lucky boy. You look at, oh look, she's going to have most of that. Look at her. She says, one for me, one for me. Oh, is that lovely? See your logic? Is that your toothpaste, is it? Oh, you lucky boy. Yeah, and another one. And another one. Wow. Say thank you very, very much.